Say goodbye to clutter and hello to this multifunctional toaster oven air fryer. Enjoy a variety of delicious dishes with ease and convenience using the Chefman Toast Air Convection Oven Plus Air Fryer. No more heating up your kitchen with a full-size oven. Get the same results as a traditional convection oven with the convenience of countertop cooking for faster and more evenly cooked food. This countertop convection oven is a useful tool in any busy kitchen with variable temperature controls and cooking functions to air fry, bake, broil, convection bake, toast, and warm, as well as a temperature range from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to set at the desired temperature. 7 preset options make any kitchen task easy, while the interior cooking light allows you to easily monitor the cooking process. The extra-large 20-liter interior can fit up to 6 slices of toast in most baking pans, with the highly efficient rapid air technology and high-speed convection system. You can get an even, crispy fried texture using little to no oil. The rack positioning is designed for maximum space and even airflow. If using multiple racks, rotate them halfway through for best results. The air fryer function is perfect for cooking once frozen leftover foods and making them taste fresh again. Feeling some toast? This counter oven features an option to select the desired level of toast, from light to dark, with a 60-minute countdown timer and ready signal bell. You always know when your food is ready. The unit automatically shuts off when the door is opened for added safety. Air fry basket, flat wire rack, broil pan, and crumb tray are easily removable and dishwasher safe for convenience and quick cleanup. Non-stick interior and stainless steel exterior wipe down easily, with the cookbook included. It's even easier to conquer any cooking need with this toaster oven air fryer and enjoy the benefits. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 7 shade settings. Toasty your version of perfection with variable shade settings. Perfect for a quick breakfast or savory side with dinner. Never worry about under or over toasting your slices ever again. Number 2. Easy air frying. Create healthier restaurant favorites in minutes with the convenient air fry setting. Save room on your counter with this all-in-one appliance. Perfect for cooking from fresh, frozen, or even leftovers. Number 3. Feed a crowd. Create family meals right on your countertop. No need to fire up the grill or oven. With the family-sized capacity and convenient accessories, you can create healthy weeknight dishes or even holiday favorites easier than ever. Number 4. Become a baker. Learn to satisfy your sweet tooth with the simple bake and convection bake presets. From seasonal berry pieces to craveable cheesecake, gooey chocolate brownies, and festive holiday cupcakes, now you can bake it all. Number 5. Fry with the power of air. Use the air fryer mode to create healthy and delicious food with deep-fried crispiness. Enjoy your favorite fried food without the calories or smell associated with deep frying. The high-speed fans speed up baking and provide that desired fried finish and flavor. Number 6. For all your cooking needs. This versatile 7-in-1 appliance air fries, bakes, broils, convection bakes, convection broils, toasts, and warms. Temperature range of 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 7. Makes it easy to achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. Make better for you fries that are just as crispy and tasty. Roast a whole chicken, or perfect your avocado toast all in one appliance. Number 8. Auto shut off and easy cleaning. For added safety, the toaster oven shuts off when the door is opened. The included broil pan, flat wire rack, air fry basket, and removable crumb tray are dishwasher safe, while the interior walls are non-stick, making for easy cleanup. Number 9. Resources. all certified with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, and 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide, quick start guide, and recipe book, 120 volts, 1800 watts, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.